Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or how to lock the screen without using the power button. Okay, so we already know how to lock the device. Just tap on the power button, the device is locked. So simply let me show you how to lock the device without using the power button. So we can lock the screen using the accessibility shortcut menu. Tap on this one, then here you can see the option lock screen. Tap on this one, the device is locked. So using the accessibility shortcut menu, we can lock the device without using power button. So let me show you how to enable this menu. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on additional settings, tap on accessibility, then accessibility menu. Then we need to turn on this option. Then tap on accessibility menu, tap on lock screen. So simply in this way you can lock the device without using the power button. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.